Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to another vlog. So, this is going to be to 2026 first trip. So, we are going to Thailand again, but this time we're going to Phuket. Last time we explored Bangkok and Pattaya, we didn't explore Phuket. So, this time we are going to Phuket and again, of course, Bangkok. So, let's see. Now I'm in the airport. Our flight is at 6:40. So, yes. So we have finally reached our hotel. Let me show you the view first from our room. Beautiful view. Okay. So, yes, beautiful view. So now, when I will also share the sceneries that we saw while we were coming from the airport to our hotel. Our hotel is near the Patong beach. We also saw the Patong beach. It is beautiful. And yes, now we are going to have some lunch and then we will have some rest because it was really a hectic journey, mainly because of the timing of the flight. It was really early in the morning, like 6:40 a.m., and we had to reach there 3 hours before. So yes, we didn't have that much sleep. So we are going to have some lunch and then we are going to have a good sleep. But honestly, when I came from the airport to here, the sceneries that I saw on the way, just magnificent. One side there is this hills, the hills are beautiful, and then the beach. It is also beautiful. So I'm already in love with Phuket and I get the craze about this place. So last time when we came to Thailand, I because of my exams, I didn't have that much time. So we only visited Pattaya and Bangkok. But I have seen the reels, the vlogs, everything, how beautiful Phuket is and the Phi Island. So I had decided that one day I will definitely, next time when I will come, definitely I'm gonna come to Phuket. So yes, finally. So already in love with this place, and now the most awaited part is left. That is the Phi Island tour, which I'm really excited for. Most probably we will go the day after tomorrow in the Phi Island tour. So yes, this is it. And I guess today evening we will go on to see the malls and the markets out here. So, yes.